friends, we are back from the Northern Kentucky Makerspace here to show you another video of something you can do at home as a STEM challenge on your days working virtually at home. So I'm Emily.
I'm Barbara.
And we're going to make a rolling vehicle today. And again, this is with things that we have around our house, not something that we've gone out and purchased. So actually, we're going to run around our house and gather things just like you need to do right now. All right, let's do it. Okay, so we're back and we've gathered some random materials that we had laying around the house, including an empty 2-liter that we did rinse out. Okay.
And a bunch of blocks and pins and such.
Baby toys. Okay. Rubber bands that were around asparagus,
Toothpicks.
and tape. So those are the materials we think that we will be able to make a rolling vehicle using. But of course, before we get started, if we think about our engineering design process, we need to create a plan. So we're actually going to use some paper, pencil or pen, and we're going to make our plan first, knowing what materials we now have available to us. Okay, so we've made our plan, and this is what our initial drawing looks like. You can see our Coke bottle, and we have wooden dowel rods that goes with my child's stack and match toy set thing. And then these look like marshmallows, which might actually work. But they're actually these wooden beads that go on the wooden rods that we're going to use. Our plan is to poke holes through our Coke Zero bottle using scissors very safely. We're going to make sure we're being supervised by adults if we're using scissors that are poking holes and will not hurt ourselves. And then we will rubber band our wooden beads onto the wooden rods so that we can keep them in place. So that's kind of our initial plan. We're going to make it and see what happens. What do you think should be the front?
I would probably put this as the back.
Right, because of the way it lays, so that the
Yeah.
shorter end is in the front to make it more aerodynamic.
Yes.
Okay, I like it.
All right. So we're gonna poke holes, say round about there.
Okay, so we had to move locations and change wheels. Let's see what happens when we're now on a rug. Okay, so a little bit better. Okay, so we realized our rubber bands were not going to be able to cover the gaping holes that our new wheels leave. So we had to find another material to use as a safeguard to keep our wheels in place. Okay, so we found just a wooden circle, and where we realized our rubber bands would hold that in place. So this is where we've gone to now. So as you notice, we did not have enough of these wooden circles to make a full, to cover for all 4 of our wheels or both of our axles. So we actually use our original wooden beads as our safeguards instead. So now when we move it, woohoo, we're ready to test it on the open road. To help us test this out on the sidewalk in front of our house, we have Mary Addison. Yes, use your hand to make it drive. Does it work? Is our rolling vehicle, sponsored by Toyota, a success? All right, and I think STEM Challenge NTI Week 2 rolling vehicle is a hit.